Hey, I'm Rishi. Today I'll be demonstrating my app, CodeFlow. So, CodeFlow is an app that allows you to input source code and output a flowchart. Source code can be in a variety of languages, and I also have examples as well. So I'll be testing on both the examples as well as a prompt that are not in the examples and thus is not pre-computed. All the examples are pre-computed, so you see how the flowchart generation works. But I also have this function here, which I'll be demonstrating soon. So first, let's start with an example. So sum a list of numbers, like so. We can copy this. I'm not going to copy it right now because I already have, well, yeah, I already have this function in my copy paste. We can clear this, delete it all, and I can press generate here. You see there's a bar going, and you see the animation for the entire flowchart. We can also copy the mermaid code and download a PNG of this, so I can put the PNG of the flowchart right here. Isn't that nifty? Now, there's also a dark mode here, so same process works for dark mode. You can generate a flowchart and you'll see it animate in front of you. And same thing for find first evens, which is the most complicated example. So hit generate and it'll work. As you see, there are instructions for this as well on the top left. Okay, now this is the example I'll be putting in. It's a JavaScript code, so switch the code selector to JavaScript. If need be, I can copy this, but let's say I want to copy the code back. I hit copy, it's copied to my clipboard, and now I can paste it back in like that. So that if I accidentally clear it, I can copy it back in. Okay, now let's let it generate. This will take some time initially because inference, it will take time to start up, but after that it'll be pretty fast. So I'll cut to the end point once it's done, and we can also look at the logs to see the inference time initially. Okay, the flowchart's generating. Look at that, the animation's there. It's pretty cool. Yeah. And we can copy the mermaid code. I'm going to delete this so you can visualize the mermaid code. This is the mermaid code here for the entire flowchart over here. So that's what the mermaid code for that looks like, and it gets displayed. Also, we can download the SVG. So, yep, we have this. So you can share this with other people. For example, in Slack, you can share this with other people. Download the PNG here. Same thing. You can pull it up, see what it looks like. Okay. And yeah, you can also copy the code here. Go to dark mode like this. And the nodes, you can see that if you start and put your cursor over a node, you can see the corresponding line of code to that node. So if I put my cursor over state, I see state is highlighted for line 2 on the left. Put it over stop, and you get the if condition for line 6 on the source code. So you can see this helps developers also debug. Yep, that's my demo. Thank you for watching.